Hey there, FlyWP fam. Welcome to FlyWP Granular Team Permission tutorial. Ready to take control of your team management like a pro? In today's tutorial, we're diving into the Granular Team Permission feature, which is perfect for giving your team the exact permissions they need and none they don't. Before we jump in, don't forget to check out the handy-dandy cards on the left side of this video for creating, deleting a team, or adding or removing team members in FlyWP. Now let's get to it. First things first, log in to your FlyWP account with your trusty email and password. Done? Great. You will land on your FlyWP dashboard. Next, click that sleek drop-down arrow at the top right corner. Now, select the team you want to manage and click on the team icon. Time to get those roles updated. Here comes the fun part, updating your team member's role. Scroll down to the team members section and hit the update role button. Boom! A fancy update member role pop-up appears. Now, you've got some choices to make. If you want them to run the show but not touch your billing, then choose admin. They can create servers, delete them, manage sites, and even update roles. Just no messing with the money. I need someone to manage your servers and sites but without full control. The server admin role is perfect for that. You can restrict a user's access to specific servers. Do you have someone who is all about site management tasks? This option lets them create, update, and delete sites, whether it's for all servers or just a specific one. You can be super specific with permissions here. You can choose site-specific or server-wide roles. It's completely easy peasy. Once you're happy with the role, hit the update button. You have successfully updated your team member's role. And that's it, folks. You've just become the master of team management with FlyWP's granular permissions. Until next time, stay awesome. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more FlyWP tips and tricks. Happy team managing.